Hi, today on Enso Homestead, we're making a Harry Potter inspired magic wand. Coincidentally, we just had a pretty good sized maple tree fall across one of our perimeter roads. Maple is a great wood to turn, so I'm gonna go cut some up. So this part of the trunk, this upper portion of the trunk has got some good diameter for turning, so I'm going to go ahead and cut some 16-inch sections. All right, that should be quite a bit of wood for turning on the lathe. This is all the smaller portions of the trunk, and I'll come back for the bigger portions to make firewood. Now I just need to temporarily convert the metal lathe into a wood lathe. I'll do that by building a tool rest with some angle iron. All right, I know I skipped a few steps, but here is the finished product. Next, I like to square up the ends on the chop saw. All right, so we turned it down to a concentric piece of stock, made quite a bit of chips, but now we can start making some. I know I didn't get a lot of action photos or video of me doing the carving, but it's pretty hard to carve and hold the camera at the same time. Okay, you can kind of see some of the detail here. Eventually, I gotta make the ends really thin and cut them off by hand with a saw. Here is kind of the roughed in Harry Potter wand. Just gotta do some finish sanding and some staining. All right, so here is the finished wand. Like to subscribe us.